Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to receive push notifications for messaging on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, staying connected has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice the notifications icon. It's shaped like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. Next, locate the three dots positioned next to the See All button within the Notifications drop-down menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. From here, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how you receive notifications across different categories. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Messaging. Click on it to access its settings. You'll see an option to enable push notifications. Toggle this switch to turn it on. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled push notifications for messaging on Facebook. Now, whenever someone sends you a message, you'll receive real-time alerts directly on your desktop, ensuring you never miss an important conversation. Thank you for tuning in. Stay connected and enjoy seamless communication with Facebook's updated notification features. See you next time.